And we also have Attorney Nakib Sinarimbo.
Kasama rin po natin, Honorable Mayor Lester Sinswan, Dato Vivo Sinswan, Dato Armando Mastura, and Dato Tucao Mastura. Of course, with them, kasama nila Secretary Suharto Maudato as our President of Al-Ittihad UKP Party and the President Director General. Kasama po dyan si Governor Marian Saki Maudato, the Governor of Maguindanao del Sur. We also have the Mayor of Padang, Maguindanao del Sur, Honorable Mayor Oji Balayman, the Party Secretary General. Kasama rin po natin si Vice Governor Laming Sakaluran from the province of Sultan Kudarat, ang Board Member Taharuddin Muluk, and of course, Abul Khair Alimasa, the Provincial Coordinator of Al-Ittihad UKP Party Lanao del Sur.
And of course, the President of SIAP Regional Party, Vice Governor, Honorable Vice Governor, Muhammad Khalid Mujam Rakin Adjong.